what's up? It's your girls, Twin Goddesses, and I'm Alicia, and I pray you are all having a blessed week so far. But I am back with another gorgeous unit featuring one of my favorite brands, OMGHerHair. So if you're interested in this unit or anything that I'm going to be showing throughout this video, definitely check down below where everything's going to be linked for you. But I am super excited to try out OMGHerHair's brand new natural finger coily curly 3D dome cap lace closure unit with their kinky curly edges. The one thing that I love about this unit is that it's pre-everything. The lace is pre-cut in that zigzag motion, making it super meltable, as well as the hairline is tweezed. You also get 8 by 6 inches of parting space with those bleached knots. This unit also features their anti-slip band that's built inside of the unit, as well as those removable combs with a Velcro backing, making it extremely easy if you want to remove them or put them back on for certain hairstyles. This C-shape ear tab custom design for a more comfortable fit, and that drawstring which will fit all head sizes. But the star of the show is OMGHerHair's brand new 3D dome cap design. I know you're all probably thinking, what the heck is a 3D dome cap? A 3D dome cap is made to follow the natural contour of your forehead so that you will have the maximum stability and security, especially for those who choose not to wear your unit with adhesives, unlike other wigs that require glue. But this is how my unit came directly out of the box. You can see that super natural curly texture, as well as those natural coily coils and that kinky curly edge. But what I'm going to do as far as styling is very minimal. I'm just going to take my _Styler gel and just tame those edges a little bit so that they're laid.
Never really fuss, just show out when you show up and give me the, and I'll give you the maybe you.
Now, as far as these curls straight out the box, it looks extremely natural. This is exactly how my hair looks on like day 4 curls. But what I'm going to do is kind of refresh them a little bit because it is a little bit frizzy in my opinion. So I'm going to do a really quick wash and go. First things first, I'm detangling the hair with my unbrush and spritzing a little bit of water on the hair. And then I take this Pop Lock Wash and Go cream and apply it to the section. And you guys can see I'm going through the hair with my fingers, as well as taking my curl defining brush just to clump those curls together. Sis, look how gorgeous those curls came out. I did detangle the entire wig, and you can see the amount of shedding that I did get. Literally nothing. But I'm going to go through the rest of the hair doing my wash and go, just taking a bit of my water and my wash and go curl cream and going through the hair, clumping those curls with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. And you can see how those curls are looking. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the hair, and I'll be back once the wig is dried. Okay, so it is the next day and this unit is fully dried. You can see how those curls came out. You may need to scrunch it to get rid of that cast. But what I love about this unit is this 3D cap design. It fits the head so good. You can see just how it contours. I'm going to go ahead and put the unit on. Just watch and see how snatched this hairline looks, especially with the comfort of this C design around the ear. You don't even have to glue this unit down, sis. It fits perfectly. And I'm absolutely loving this drawstring in the back. If you had a unit before with that elastic band, you notice that it bunches up, but with this drawstring, it's going going to contour around your head perfectly. Here is this hairline up close. You can see how clear that HD lace is, as well as that 3D cap design. It contours right around my forehead, and y'all can see I have a big forehead. I'm gonna play around with those edges, but they are looking so natural. Like, this is exactly how my edges look when I don't add any gel and lace wear. I didn't even glue this unit down, and it's melting perfectly. But what I'm gonna do is just go through the hair just so I can get the hair to look a little more voluminous and kind of soften up those curls a bit. I'm also going to apply a bit of concealer in that parting space, and once I am done, we're gonna see just how gorgeous this unit looks.
Got a palette, baby, shawty, find a traffic. Oh, I got a little bit my violet, shawty, she my problem. Oh, and if you ever got him, baby, I'ma solve him, baby. Your vibe, not tryna waste your time. She said I need you in my life, girl, I can't reach your mind. I think I'm running out of time. I wonder what you think sometimes. I wonder if you lie, but if you do, just save my life, save my life.
Oh my gosh, y'all, this unit is so cute. I think it's perfect since we are transitioning from spring to summer. This unit is going to look so bomb. But here are the angles of the hair. I do have mine in a 14-inch. There is that 3D dome cap design. These curls are extremely natural. I would say that it's around a 3C, 4A with those coils, as well as the density is 180%. Refreshing these curls is so easy. You just need a little bit of water and whatever curl defining cream that you choose, just apply it and those curls will pop right back. I've already worn this unit a few times and I washed it, and oh my gosh, these curls are so perfect. Sis, I know you are looking for that perfect hairstyle for this summer. This right here, you're definitely gonna have to get your hands on. I feel like the wig is lightweight. Those curls are super soft. The amount of parting space that you do get, and for those of you who don't want to adhere your unit down, you really don't have to with this dome cap design. Again, this unit comes from OMGHerHair. Definitely get your hands on this one. I rate this a 10 out of 10, but let me know what you think of this unit, and I will catch you all later. Bye guys.